In this problem, we're given an equation and they want us to expand and multiply this equation together. And so all we do here is really just distribute the first equation into both pieces of the second equation. We just do it one at a time. So I'm going to take this 2x squared and I'm going to multiply it by negative 2x, which is going to end up giving me negative 4x cubed. I take 2x squared times 1, and that gives me a positive 2x squared. And now I'm done with that one, and I can move on to the negative 4x here. So negative 4x times negative 2x is going to give me a positive 8x squared. Negative 4x times 1 is going to give me a negative 4x. So I've done that piece to both, so I'm done with that one. And now I'm on to the last chunk here, negative 4. So negative 4 times negative 2x is going to give us a positive 8x, and then negative 4 times 1 is going to give us a negative 4. And so after that, we just need to come back through and combine our like terms. We only have one x cubed term, so that's going to stay the same. We do have a positive 2x squared and a positive 8x squared that need to come together to make a positive 10x squared. We just add those together. And then we've got a negative 4x plus an 8x, and that again needs to be brought together by making it a positive 4x, so 8x minus 4x. And then there is no term to go with the negative 4, so the negative 4 stays. And this would be our final answer. You just want to enter it in as negative 4 into the first box, 10 into the second, 4 into the third, and negative 4 into the last box.